body is the pengeling that you walk with your soul.
So you have a bomb bomb and a
You
pengalenga.
have both of
I
them.
got a boom boom and a
I
pengeling.
see, man. There's a bomb bomb, there's a pengalenga.
Yeah.
So how do you have a boom boom and a bengaling? How? How come?
Because I'm a hermaphrodite.
Yeah?
Oh, I'm off a diet.
Yo, you are now a pretty what? A bomb bomb.
Yeah, and a pengeling. I can sit and
Pengeling.
pee and I can stand up and pee pee.
Yeah, with a pengalenga.
Yeah. You only got pengeling. I
Yeah.
got two. Boom boom, boom boom, and pengeling.
But you are not scared, man. Yeah?
No, I'm not scared outside. No.
You are not scared, eh?
No.
I see you are not scared. Ah, look at in the tree. Look at in the tree. Look. Hey, when I'm an off, I'm all shit. Yeah. Hey,
Then where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica. And why are you sitting there all alone by yourself? What's up? Are you good?
Yeah, man, I'm great.
You sure?
You look stressed, you know?
I
Are
look
you sure?
straight.
Yeah, man, you cannot just be sitting there.
I'm drinking Hennessy. So that is why I'm looking like this.
Oh, Hennessy.
Yeah.
Where is it then? Can I see the Hennessy?
What ufuna abafana lapho?
I can't show it in the thing here, but
Oh, yeah, of course.
Ufaka inzipho.
I understand. Can I?
Ufaka inzipho endoda. Hey,
I know.
unazo ibovu.
Do you have your nails on? Did you install your nails?
yeah, I always do them.
Akutshela.
What are you? Are you gay or something like that?
I'm on the borderline.
The bottom line.
Yini lokho?
I'm on the borderline. I'm contemplating.
I don't even understand what's that, you know.
Yini lokho? Yini lokho bottom the line? Okho, what is that, man?
The
I'm
borderline.
looking.
Are you in the border between Mozambique and are
The
you?
border. No, like
Yeah, like-
he means he's maybe he loves men. He also loves women.
You
Maybe.
like gender wonke? You like all genders?
No understand.
Are you like both? Both.
Yeah, I'm a hermaphrodite.
You're bisexual?
No, I'm a hermaphrodite.
Yini lokho?
Quas now.
Yeah, I'm pretty done. I'm a hermaphrodite.
You are pretty.
Yeah, I'm pretty done.
Oh.
That's what we call it in Jamaica. When you have both gender, you're hermaphrodite.
Oh, I'm a fata. You are pretty.
Yeah, when you have both genitals, you know, you got the punani and the badadi, you call it hermaphrodite.
Oh, I'm
I saw the patata, the potato.
I understand.
Yeah, patata. No sugar.
Yeah, so I'm a hermaphrodite. 1 minute I'm a man, the next 1 minute I'm a man, the next minute I'm a girl.
Hey, wena uyashintsha man.
Hey.
2 minutes manje uyini manje? What are you?
So what are you right now?
I'm between both gender because I'm fighting really hard.
Oh, now you are fighting.
Yeah.
Hey, awulo lapho ntombo.
I understand.
Yeah, okay, you can keep on fighting. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
man. You can fight the whole night.
Yeah, the
no
whole
problem.
night is fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna fight the whole night alone.
Yeah,
Okay.
we see alone, but there's something in that tree, man. Be careful.
We should check out, man. Eh? Be safe.
UFO in the tree. I talk to them many nights.
In there.
What do you talk to?
What do you talk to, man?
UFO, like ET, extraterrestrial.
It's exhausting, guy.
Hey, okay,
yeah,
we understand,
yeah, you can keep on talking, yeah.
talk to them, yeah. For sure.
Oh, I like your hairstyle, though.
Yeah.
Can you come a little bit closer so we could get a better view of it?
Of course.
No,
No,
the
the
hairstyle.
hairstyle, the hairstyle.
No. I can't show you my head style. My head
Why?
style have no edges. It's like cute boss. My head style have no edges.
I mean, we just want to see you are not
We just
there to
wanna
charge
see,
or
yeah,
something like that, you know.
yeah. I wanna do this.
Yeah, it looks
There's a line. There's a line there. Ne?
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, can you see that side? Yeah, it's a gym,
Oh,
babe.
so you really don't want to come closer?
Okay, face that side then.
No, I can't come any closer. If I come any closer, you're gonna see my real natural beauty, and it's not cute. It's not cute.
Oh, yeah, it's not good that one. Cause you said you're pretty.
Yeah. No, I say I resemble pretty done. Pretty
Yeah.
done. Pretty done.
Oh,
Mina ngizo pretty, got the pretty done is very good. Yeah. Face that side then. Yeah. Hey, ibizwane to.
so what do you call this hairstyle?
Moaka.
Oh, Moaka. It's a.
It's a very beautiful one. Eh?
My baby mother is coming. My baby mother is coming.
You have a baby mother.
No, this to me ear, no still well. No, don't do that.
You see my baby mama?
Oh, you have a baby.
Hello.
Yeah,
Why?
yeah, baby daddy.
Are you afraid of the camera? Oh.
Yeah, she say her ear don't do. Her ear don't do. Come to me with the camera. Come to me with the camera, man. And stop me. Come.
Oh, well, baby
Come
mama.
on, man. Stand up.
Baby
Stand
mama,
up.
can
Stand
you
up.
see you?
Let me hide my face.
Yeah. See my baby mama?
Oh, baby
Oh,
mama.
baby mama, we can't see you, baby mama.
Put the makeup.
She shy. She gone inside. She shy. You see, I tell you,
Oh.
sometimes I'm a man, and sometimes I'm a girl.
Oh, I see, and yeah, it's giving, it suits you, man. You see, I ngiyakubona kodwa uyinsizwa ngoku, ngiyakubona uyindoda. You are now a man, but
No, I'm not fully a man. I'm not fully a
oh,
man.
Konje, you said you are fighting right now.
I'm 50.
Oh,
50-50. Oh.
ume uyibhoda wena, kunzima.
Tonight, no, I gotta be a man because she want to do that do.
Hey.
Uzokushaya baby mama, uyamuzwa uthini?
Where them come from? Africa?
Okay,
Baby mama.
how are you, baby mama?
I'm okay. How are you?
Yes, siyaphila nathi, we
Yeah, we're
good.
doing great. Are you also on Hennessy?
Huh?
Are you also on Hennessy?
Yeah. Oh, yes. Definitely.
Oh, so indoda yakho lo
Brothers,
umnyeni wakho lo, this is your husband, eh?
that's your husband?
No,
Yeah,
we're
ngisho
asking-
wena,
we're asking you,
wena.
is he your...
That's
your
your
husband.
husband?
What are you saying?
Asho sokhipha manje ngoba manje
Oh. You're asking if this is my husband?
yes, I see.
Oh,
your
no, this
husband.
is my sister.
Oh, like I don't know if I can say she or he, but
Hey, both. She.
okay.
Yeah, she.
Oh, she
Yeah,
told us
he,
that.
anyway.
Yeah, she told us that she fighting.
Both
Yeah,
fighting.
fighting
And
overnight
can be
between the
against
border.
sometimes.
Pretty man, yeah.
Why you call me out here? There's so many alright inside.
Yeah.
This is
So
my sister.
so I'm just get sitting there at night, like you're not scared of like, cause seems like you're in the forest and stuff.
Yeah. We're hiking out here tonight.
Yeah.
Camping. We're camping out here tonight.
Oh, camping on the time.
Ekunamabhubesi lapha nosabi ney'nkawu uzomlunga.
What did Mama say?
You don't understand.
Oh, I was saying the baboons, man, they will come for you guys, eh?
No. We friend
We
them.
fight them.
Oh, plus you said you can fight, eh?
Yeah.
But we understand, eh? But you know, he or she, I don't know. Yeah, but problem English, man. It's at night this side,
You know
so we can't
English,
English
yo.
at night. It's a
Like,
problem, man.
Slow, slow, go slow, and we comprehend. Slow.
Slow, ne? Must ne?
Yeah, like go slow.
Yeah, so what? So what? Go slow. But we understand, eh? Oh, but
So where in Africa you guys from?
in South
South
Africa.
Africa.
The South Africa? You
Yeah.
guys been to North Africa?
Sorry?
You guys ever been to North Africa?
North Africa.
No, but
No.
we so wish to be.
Yeah.
This
But I'm a tourist. One day I will come that side. I'll pay a visit that side. Yeah.
You know Swanky?
What is that?
Is that a language or?
You don't know Swanky?
Swanky is a fashion designer in Africa. Nigeria.
It's a what?
It's a fashion designer.
Fashion designer in Africa.
In Africa.
Fashion designer in Africa.
Oh, I thought maybe that's a language spoken.
We thought
in
maybe it's a
Jamaica.
language or it's a country or something like that.
Swanky, Swanky.
Yeah, he's a fashion designer. Fashion designer.
Oh.
Clothes. He make clothes.
We understand, but we don't know much about Nigerians. Yeah. Oh, electricity is gonna cook you now.
Then you know Emmy?
You know Sokaki Emi?
Ubalo, who's that?
It's Sokodemi. You know Sokodemi?
I know.
We only know DJ Maboreza, Baba.
You know black coffee?
Black coffee.
You know black coffee?
Coffee?
Black
Yeah,
coffee.
black coffee.
No, I'm talking about Emi. She's Sokoli Paod.
No, we never had. Oh, you don't know Trevor Noah?
Yeah, it's called Mapuma, isn't it?
You know
Yeah,
Trevor? You know Trevor?
Trevor Noah.
Never know.
No, you know, no, not Trevor Noah. You know Sock from Trevor.
Do you know Trevor Noah?
No, I know a Trevor that Sock catches regular.
Oh, I asked Maz. No, no, we don't know him or her. I don't know.
Okay.
You know Neymar?
Yeah?
Oh, a second. But yeah, we just gonna do a research about those people and see if like.
Who's this?
This is my baby mama.
Why are you appearing in half now? What's wrong?
That's my baby mama. She just here.
We were just talking. You forget me already?
No, the thing is, I didn't see you very well.
Oh yeah, but yeah.
Do you guys have kids?
Yeah, we got kids. We got more free.
No, but wait. Where not baby mama? You said
She's my baby mama. Sometimes she call me her sister.
she said you are her sister. Yeah.
Yeah, but we ain't that kind of blood. We just ookie blood.
Ah, that shit too. Alabashasha, you guys are
lying to us.
Huh?
Wow.
Hey, but Mina, I like your hairstyle.
You what?
I love your hairstyle.
Hairstyle, man.
Oh, you like it? You gonna do your hair like this?
Yeah, I wanna do it.
Remember the back? It's B. Baba Tanya.
Yeah, I like that V, man. It's like a vampire something.
Yeah, it's a V. The V
Vampire.
represent vagina.
Ah, yeah. I see.
Now okay.
Yeah, now it's.
Vagina.
Yeah. You know that.
No, sir.
What is that?
I don't know what's that.
We call it boom 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 boom.
Wait, you call it what? I wanna learn that word.
We call it boom 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 boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
How many boom boom?
No, it is one pum pum. I have one pum pum. She got one pum pum. I got one body. She don't got no body.
Body. What is body? Body is it?
Body is the pengeling that you walk with your son.
So you have a bomb bomb
So
and a
you
pengalanga.
have both of
I
them.
got a pum pum and a
I
pengeling.
see, man. There's a bomb bomb, there's a pengalanga.
Yeah.
So how do you have a boom boom and a bengaling? How? How come?
Because I'm a hermaphrodite.
Yeah?
Oh, I'm off a diet.
Yo, you are now a pretty what? A bomb bomb.
Yeah, and a pengeling. I can sit and
pengeling.
pee and I can stand up and pee pee.
Yeah, with a pengalanga.
Yeah. You only got pengeling. I
Yeah.
got two. Boom, 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 and pengeling.
You got two.
And where did you
Yeah.
get the other one? Where did you get the other one?
I'm born with that. Born with it. Born with it.
So you were born with both of them.
A bomb bomb and a pengalanga.
Yeah,
I
you gotta say boom, 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 boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Ay, right, kulega siphethe mfowethu ngeke. Yeah, we understand, man. Yeah, you can see we are fast learners, ne?
Huh?
You can see we are fast learners.
The pastor.
Yeah, man, you guys are very quick learners. Very quick learners.
Very quick one. But it is an airtime, the comedian, but it's
Ay, lo bangimtholi lo muntu domnangizamile ukumsearch abafethu lo atholakali so ay cause mangisearch la
Most of
mangiveze
the page like TikTok.
oh
Yeah, page. Okay, yeah, but nice to meet you. Boom, boom,
Boom, boom,
and a
boom,
bangalanga.
You gotta say boom, boom. P-U-M. P-U-M.
boom boom
Right. And pengeling.
and
Bangalang.
She got a boom, boom.
Yes, that one. Yeah,
Oh,
yes, that
boom,
one
boom.
is a bomb bomb.
And I eat it every night.
You,
Yeah, I eat it.
you eat them boom boom.
Then who eats your boom boom?
Sometimes she do too.
Oh, cause she doesn't have a bengaling.
Get away! Get away! So, I eat pangalang.
Oh, you eat
Oh,
pangalang.
you eat bengaling.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, well.
Oh, but yeah, I understand. But how's the pangalang? How is it?
You got pangalang. That's what you got. Pangalang.
No,
Yeah, we're asking you-
since you said you eat it at
Yeah.
night, how does it taste like? How?
She said
Wow.
it tastes very good. She don't want to take it out her mouth.
So how about you? How's the boom
Boom
boom?
boom.
Oh, the boom boom. Nom, 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 nom. Mwah.
Top notch.
Yeah,
Top
top
notch.
notch, top notch, top notch.
Top notch, yeah. But sawuzwa nkabi yami, hayi. No problem, man. It was nice meeting you, man. Eh?
Nice meeting you too.
All right.
Yeah. I guess you guys have a
I
great night.
think, yeah.
Made for each other.
Yeah, I think, yeah, until we meet again. Boom boom
And bengaling.
And pengeling.
and panga.
Yes. So I'm going inside now to eat. So see you guys soon.
No problem.
No
Until we
problem.
meet again, probably maybe tomorrow, whenever we do live
tomorrow.
again.
Maybe tomorrow
Yeah.
when I don't eat and belch. Yo.
Yo.
So see you guys soon. See you guys later.
Tap.
Yeah, later. Come. Make we go in. Go name now.
I'm happy to know, man.
Then I can't believe I take up the whole of my program with this kind of people. I can't believe I take up the whole of my program with this. You know, so wicked to me. Wicked to me, you know. I can't believe that the whole of my program I take up with this. Eating the fingerling and the pum pum. Eh? Somebody said, God, I'm coming home. You see, on the escape on my program.